I need some serious help from a bloody shrink. I mean, what the hell? I'm driving more than 2,500 kilometers just to go and fetch a freaking engine. What the hell?
I'm on my way to Centurion in Gauteng to visit McNabs Engineering and buy myself a newly rebuilt V8 engine. I'm planning to stick it into Crackpot, my current Ford F100 project. Now I know my channel is all about budget builds and making plans and doing stuff myself, but you know what, this is a special birthday present. I'm turning 60 this month, and that only happens once as far as I know. So I'm spoiling myself. I'm really looking forward to checking out McNabs and the cars they are building. They are old school V8 experts with a reputation and knowledge stretching across generations already.
I've been on the road since what, 7:30 this morning. It's been a long while already. I think at this stage of the game I need Angus and the other boys from ACDC to keep me awake.
This is actually crazy, man. It's a drive of over 1,200 kilometers one way. Now I used to do this kind of thing in a single day when I was a younger man, but now my beard is grey, so I'm gonna take it easy and I will sleep over somewhere along the way.
Yeah, look at that. Can I have my money? Oh, do I get money? Yeah, I get change, eh? Thank you. Bye bye, stay well. There you go. Seemingly endless rolling grass plains.
The sun is setting and I'm close to a small place called Kroonstad. I'm gonna look for a place where I can sleep over for the night.
Good morning. Early morning. It's just before 6 o'clock and I'm on the road again.
Hey, I'm getting close to Gauteng, or the big smoke as I like to call it.
I'm actually astounded by all this smog. I can smell it, it stinks. I'm not used to this. I'm so blessed to live in the Southern Cape with clean air. Now I'm in the thick of it. Traffic and buildings. Not my world. If it wasn't for that voice on my phone, Google Maps, I would have been completely lost. The traffic is eased up a bit, but I'm still in a state of shock. I'm not used to this kind of shit. I finally arrived at my destination, McNabs Engineering. And here's the man himself. Hello, Twain.
Hi Dev, how are you?
Lekker man, I'm happy to be here. Hey, look at this. It looks like I found the right place. Hey? Quickly tell me about McNabs Engineering.
So McNabs Engineering has derived from my grandfather, who taught us from a young age how to build old school V8 engines, and the passion has grown and we have kept on doing so, and he's still by my side every day.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
So you've still got that old school input, huh?
We've got all the old school input, and
That's awesome.
That's what we do, old school engineering.
Because that kind of skill set, can't find it, eh?
That's 100%.
He's got the experience.
That's correct.
And you've been growing up under his wing.
All my life.
Awesome. That's why you've got a good reputation, because that's what I hear. Old school engineering.
That's it.
I like that.
Cool.
Dwayne, praat nou met my Engels. Laat die ouens verstaan. What? Just tell me more about this engine.
It's a 598 cubic inch stroke big block Ford.
Wow, so what would that be in liters for us?
9.8 liters.
9.8 liters. Yeah.
It's a massive engine.
And what was it originally?
It was originally a 460 Ford.
Ford.
Yeah, 460 Ford big block, stroked.
Sure. And the car?
It's a Ford Torino 1970s model.
Ford Torino.
Yeah, Ford Torino.
That's a rare thing, eh?
That is very.
Yeah.
Don't often find them.
I wish I could stand back more to get it in. For the IGMC.
Running the MSD EFI.
What you're talking is Greek to me, but
That's
anyway.
fuel injection.
Oh, that's fuel injection up there.
Ja, hierdie. Ja. Dis die
Look at
body.
that, eh?
Ja. En dan het ons ook nou hier besig met 'n mooi billet front pulley setup vir hom.
Sure.
This 351 Cleveland fitted my budget, but it's fully rebuilt and bench tested with many new parts. It's got a new HEI distributor, an edelbrock intake, and a 204-214 cam, which will give me good low RPM torque and mid-range performance. Well, it still has some good idle quality. I think that's perfect for the kind of truck I'm building.
Engine is loaded and I'm on my way again. I want to get out of this place as quickly as possible, and I'm also pressed for time because I'm on my way to another destination. I'll tell you about that just now. But wow, what a nice guy, McTwain. What is his name? Twain McNabs. That's a nice guy. Not scared to share his knowledge. Very helpful. Gave me some extra parts for free. No one has got such a good reputation. Very happy to have picked up that engine from him. But now I'm on my way to the Ford F series King of South Africa. Legend, man. He's just sent me a video of a 351 Windsor engine. I think there's some trouble brewing here. So in the next video we visit Ford Fanatics and I have a chat with the king of F-series trucks himself, Mr. De Wet Momberg. We also take a look at all the awesome trucks they're busy rebuilding. So stay tuned. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the trip with me, please hit that like button. It's down here below somewhere. And why don't you subscribe? And if you hit the bell button, you'll actually even get a notification of the next video. See you oaks then.